my soul family, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and fine. Today's vlog is about crafting an auspicious artisanal using resin and molded clay. Without further ado, let us embark on our creative journey today. This work features a blend of resin and molded clay, which together form a mixed media art piece. As we explore the crafting process, you will see how these elements contribute to a harmonious and uplifting atmosphere. The creation of this artisanal is not merely about artistic expression, it is also about the intention behind it. The use of resin provides durability and a glossy finish, while molded clay allows for intricate shapes and auspicious patterns. Together, they create a visual appeal that draws in positive energy. I have added here some rose petals which are collected from my temple. These flowers are symbolic and carry a sense of protection and good fortune, making them an ideal addition to any craft piece. The colors and the forms chosen in the design resonate with feelings of joy and hope, reflecting the uplifting spirit we wish to cultivate in our surroundings. I will also be using a mold that features the word Shubh Love, which translates to auspicious or good luck. This will further enhance the item's positive energy and aesthetic value. It's a rewarding experience to create something that not only looks beautiful but also carries a deeper purpose. Now let's discuss some cool related topic like why should we do creative works? From my creative journey and experiences, I am sharing. Engaging in creative work offers significant healing properties that can positively impact mental health. When individuals immerse themselves in activities like painting, drawing, or crafting, they often experience a calming effect after any kind of scufflings. This process allows one's thoughts and feelings to flow freely and providing a much needed release from daily stressors. The act of creating can serve as a comforting escape, allowing people to express emotions that they might struggle to articulate through words. Moreover, creative expression can be an effective tool in managing mental stress. When individuals focus on creating art, they often enter a state of flow where they become fully absorbed in the activity. This state can distract from negative thoughts and worries, leading to a reduction in anxiety and depression. Art making not only serves as a therapeutic outlet but also fosters personal growth and self-awareness. As individuals create, they often explore their inner feelings and experiences, which can lead to deeper insights about themselves. This process can generate a sense of accomplishment and pride, contributing to improved self esteem. By reflecting on their creations, people can better understand their emotions, leading to healthier coping strategies and a greater sense of empowerment. Lastly, the communal aspect of creative artwork can enhance its healing properties. Participating in group activities such as art classes or workshops encourages social interactions and support. These connections can help combat feelings of isolation and loneliness, which are common in stressful times. Sharing art experiences with others fosters a sense of belonging, reinforcing the idea that individuals are not alone in their struggles and that creativity can be a shared journey towards healing. As we move forward in this vlog,
focus on the significance of infusing our environment with positive energies. Art has the remarkable power to influence our moods and perspectives. Throughout this journey, I encourage you to reflect on how you can incorporate similar practices into your own creative endeavors. Whether through art or other means, actively infusing positivity into your life can yield profound benefits. Hope it will inspire you to create your own sources of joy and positivity. Now it's your turn to share your thoughts on how it all looks. I'm sure that it will be a visual treat for all of us. Now, my one last request to all of you to prioritize your well being by nurturing your physical, mental, and emotional needs. Most probably, in my next video, I will discuss about self love and self care. How can self love help reduce feelings of anxiety and depression and help improving mental health? I have more videos on resin and hardener mixing process. You can check it through the link which I have shared in the description box. The artwork is almost finished. I will frame it later. Please like, share and subscribe. It will help me growing. Live your life to the fullest and spread positivity. Thank you so much for your support and watching my video. I am incredibly grateful for the time and effort you took to view my content. And thanks once again for being a part of my journey and for giving me the opportunity to share my passion with the world. I look forward to share more videos with you in the future. Stay tuned for the next. Till then, bye bye. Namaste.